Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Julie Brown. She's one of our 4-H youth development agents here in Warren County. Good morning, Julie.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, Julie, gardening season is upon us.
It is.
And you are here to tell us about a 4-H gardening program you're offering.
So this is the first time Janet Turley, who's the other 4-H agent, and I have ever offered this program. So it's kind of an all summer type of gardening program, and the kids are going to get to different types of gardening that they can do at home. And the perfect thing about this is, even if they're living in an apartment or a duplex or something like that and they don't have the space, what we'll be doing is they can put this out on their back patios, things like that. So you don't have to own, a house or have acres. This is just going to be a fun gardening program, and we're going to learn a lot along the way. As I said, it's the first time we've ever done it, so we're going to have fun along the way.
Yeah, Julie, it sounds like an amazing program, and this is geared towards beginners,
Yes.
right? Okay,
So, if you've never really gardened before, I can't say that we're going to do herbs. That's a whole new thing for me that I'm going to be learning along the way. So, maybe somewhere that someone hops in along the way as well. But yeah, it's really for beginners that maybe the kids have never gardened before, is who we're kind of gearing this towards. We're just going to have, lots of fun with this. We're going to start out, May the 16th at 5:30 here. You have to RSVP, but we'll talk about that in a minute. But, May the 16th, they're going to get a pool. It's what it is, like a kiddie plastic swimming pool, and we're going to do a raised bed out of it. So it's kind of become a starting trend. So we're going to do that, and we're going to talk about spacing, because you think of a pool, you think, oh, I can put all kinds of stuff in here. You can't put, because you got to think these plants start out small,
right,
and as the summer goes on, they're going to get a lot bigger.
And you all are supplying them with a lot of other items as well.
So we're supplying with the plants and the containers. So the families will have to supply the soil, but just because we're going to need lots of soil for these projects. But we're going to have the plants ready. Hopefully they'll be healthy. And we'll talk about, fertilizer, things like that, or if they're going to do them organic, we'll talk about how they need to, make all of that kind of work out. So they'll have to take care of the soil if they want to fertilize, that kind of thing. But Janet and I, will take care of the containers. We'll take care of the plants, those kind of things for them to put in their gardens.
So the program starts, you said?
May 16th.
May 16th, okay.
At 5:30 here at the extension office, and we're going to start with our raised beds. But also, the next week. So we're not going to meet every week. Once you did that, you're going to take pictures, you're going to fill out evaluation, tell us what you've learned, what you need help with, and then the next week you'll just come in the office and you'll pick up your project. So the next week we'll probably do tomatoes in containers. So we'll talk about how to do that. The next time you come in, we'll do herbs, and we'll have a container that you put those in. This container is actually going to be for lettuce.
Okay.
So we're going to talk about lettuce, and because even cool crops they can even do in their house, when it comes to fall, and this container is perfect for that. So we'll talk about, how they can do that. We'll start seeds, seed propagation. We're actually going to raise pumpkins from seeds, and they can put that in their backyard. So, because those don't get planted until later in the summer.
So then they will have grown their very own pumpkin for the fall.
Yes.
Now, Julie, if anyone has questions during this program, you all are a wonderful resource.
Yes, we are here as a resource to help them out. That's what we're here for. You can contact the Warren County Extension Office at 270-842-1681, and we'll provide all that information, for the families that sign up. We will do the last meeting will be on August the 2nd, and it's via Zoom, because we're going to cook some of the vegetables that we've grown.
Okay.
Then Janet and I are going to throw in recipes that they can cook at home, and we're going to throw those in along the way. But that'll be the last kind of the wrap up of our program.
Julie, I think that this sounds so fun. So who can attend this program, and how do people get signed up?
So it is for Warren County youth. And when we say family, you can do this, because when we talk about container gardens, so if you have a couple of kids in the family, that's fine. So it's really 15 families. I guess I should make it that way, because you're going to get enough produce from this for more than one child. So 15 families can sign up, Warren County families from 5 to 18 years old. They need to contact the Warren County Extension Office and to RSVP, and the phone number here again is 270-842-1681 before May the 16th, so that we make sure that we have all of the projects, or all the plants, here for the 16th and ready to go.
All right, Julie, I think it sounds like a wonderful program. I know these families are going to have so much fun. If you would like to sign up for the 4-H gardening program, be sure to call us at the Warren County Extension Office. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on the Farm and Home Show.